Nah, I'm just saying.
There you go.
Now, what's that about?
The key fob isn't being detected in the vehicle. So this is a safe spot in emergency. If the key isn't picking, so the battery is dead in there, you plug it in here and it'll pick up the key fob. So the key fob is only registering when it's in here. You have to replace the battery in order for the key fob. Stop vehicle, leave engine running.
I took it off just now trying to replace the key. It doesn't have a little round battery.
Inside here?
Yeah. I opened it just now, but you can try it. I opened it. I didn't. How much is this battery? $25. They're gonna say $300, Mr. Clark.
Well, if you take it out right quick, I could look at it and see what you need for it.
Oh yeah, let me go.
Take it out right quick. Yeah, I gotta make it to Woodville at the same time. So yeah, just take it off of me real quick. I'm gonna take a look at it. I gotta go run to Mississippi as well. So.
Oh man, oh shit.
Calling about a tire change request. Okay, I'm calling up. I'm en route to you right now. I'm gonna be about 45 minutes before I can arrive. Before I arrive. I had a couple jobs I had to finish up before I got to you. I just want to let you know if anything changes, if you get help or anything, please call me back on this number. That way I don't drive all the way out there. Thank you. I'll see you shortly. Okay. All right.
I didn't even see where you put the little disc in. I know I probably need one. This is my first time ever changing one in there, so I know it's probably needed.
Mm-hmm.
You imagine all these years, 4 years?
Oh yeah.
So I know. Man, I just put a new air conditioning unit over here. It hadn't been changed since 1980.
Oh wow.
That's what the people said. Hey, it lasted all that time.
Yeah, that's a good thing. I mean,
they were like, they couldn't believe it.
1980?
We should have seen them headed out here, looking at the old parts. They say, man.
Okay. Yeah, that's a long time, 1980.
Let's see.
Let's see, man.
That lasted. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, to tell you nowadays, you're lucky if you get 15 years out of a unit.
That's what they said. I said, shoot, next time I may get 15-10.
Yeah, that's what they tell me.
And for the roof, I'm just waiting for the next storm to come through. Because the roof's supposed to last 20, 30 years, but they don't last but no time.
Yeah.
When a new storm comes through, then I'll replace that.
Okay.
You see?
It's working now.
For the battery?
Yeah. See that red light?
Yeah, yeah. It came on for me for a minute. It came on. See it go off. See it didn't go off. Nope, it didn't go off.
All right. So let's see. They're definitely gonna want you to bring it to them.
And you know what's gonna happen. They're not here. Technicians are not here on Saturday, Mr. Clark.
Look, what I suggest you do?
Yeah.
Google this.
Uh-huh.
Google your vehicle and Google key fob battery replacement.
Yeah.
And it should. If I had a couple minutes to help you out, I promise you I'll help you out. But I got to get to Woodville.
And then see what they say. How much? Mm-hmm.
No, because if you can figure out how to open it yourself,
yeah,
you can see what battery is needed and change it yourself. You ain't got to bring it to them. Let's see. Hold on. Yeah, you change it yourself. You ain't got to bring it to them.
That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah, Google it. Google it. Let me see something.
Everything now. Boy, you can go to Google, get everything.
What year is it?
2019.
2019.
And then they redid 2020, so 2019.
Mercedes-Benz Sprinter.
So if I turn it off, will it start again?
I was just taking it around the block while driving it first.
Yeah. And then
Get an alternator opportunity to charge the battery real good.
it could start just by sitting too, huh?
It can, but I mean, why I tell you it's charged?
I'm running it.
Yeah, why I tell you drive it is because then you get all the function of the vehicle.
I get you. Say no more.
Key fob battery replacement. Look at that. All right. Boom.
Yeah, that's it.
2032.
What is that? How long for the last?
No, that's the battery that takes
Oh,
to
I get
2032.
I get you. That's how easy they make that look. Oh.
I told you to Google it, man.
I appreciate you, bro.
All right, you have a good one, all right?